Here is an interesting method for finding out the multiplication. So this is a pictorial method that the children would love to do it. For example, if you had a question which says it is 31 multiplied by, let's say, 33. So here you need two different colors of pens or pencils. That will be best. But just in case you do not have two different colors, it's okay, and you can definitely do it with one colored pen, but we are going to use certain technique for writing it. Let me explain it. Assuming I have a single colored pen, 31, I'm going to represent it as, remember 3 is in the tens place, so I'm just going to draw these bold lines here, 3 of them. And remember there is 1 here. So if I have a different color pen, I can use that for that. But if you do not have a different color pen, the same pen, you can use it as a different way of representing 1. Let me say I'm going to use this wiggly line to represent 1. So the tens are going to be represented by the bold lines, and the units column, whatever is there, is going to be represented by the wiggle. This is for 31. Now let's look at the next number. We have 33. So once again you have tens place, you have 3. So you're going to have the other number is going to be drawn. One you will represent it vertically, the other you will represent it horizontally. So 3 in the tens column, we will have these bold lines, as I told you, 3 of them. And 3 in the units column that we have here, let's represent it by the wiggly lines. So you have 3 of them. So 1, 2, and 3. So if you have two different colors, how do you represent it? You will represent it as 1, 2, 3, 4, the 31. You will have 3 tens, and you will have 1, 1, which is represented by, let's say, orange in this case. It could be anything. The next number 33 would be represented, let's say, by this color for the tens column. And remember, the ones is going to be the orange that we had chosen. So it could be this or this, depending on what you have as pens with you. So don't worry even if it is going to be a single color. So now the answer is, first you will look at where the wiggly lines cut across the wiggly lines, or the same color lines cut across the same color lines. Here let me just put a point here so that you would know 1, 2, 3. So the wiggly and the wiggly, or the same color and the same color, is nothing but 3. Write it as it is. If it is a 2-digit number, write out the 2-digit numbers. Then you will look at the straight line and the wiggly line cutting, or the two colors intersecting in this case. So here you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Doesn't stop there. We also have something here. 10, 11, 12. The same way here, when you see, it is the two colors which are mixing. So here it is 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be the same because the representation is going to be either in the wiggly one or with respect to the two colored one. So as we said, it is 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is a 2-digit number. Write out the 2-digit number. And then you will look at the bold line intersection, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And similarly here, it will be the same. So write it as 9. You don't need to draw both the diagrams. Any one is good enough. So the answer for this is nothing but whatever is the last digit, keep it as is. Only one digit will remain. The other one will be carried forward here. So here you will take 1 which is carried forward, 2 remains, and 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. So the answer for 31 multiplied by 33 is nothing but 1023. Simple representation with just straight lines. If you have colored, two colored pen, if not straight line and a wiggly line. Let's try out one more question. Let's see the next question. Let's say it is 42 multiplied by 35. It could be any number. I'm taking it as 42 multiplied by 35, and I'm going to show it to you with the double colored one now. 42 for the first one, it is 4 tenths, so you'll have 4 of the bold lines or the purple color which I'm using, and you have 2 of the units column which is here, so you will have 2 of those orange color lines which is here. Let's look at the next one. 3 stands for the tens column here, so you will have, remember, the first number you will do it vertically, the second number you do it horizontally. So 3 of the bold lines because it's 3 tens, and you have 5 of the units here which is here. So I'm going to draw 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make sure that your lines are long enough, if not you can extend them. And now what is it that you have to find out? You have to find out the same color intersection of the orange color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 10 here. The two colored intersection, that is the purple and the orange. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need to actually count. You can actually say 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 20. And 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Either you count it or you can do the fast mechanism. All that I'm doing is 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by how many of such lines do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I said 5 fours are 20 and I added the 6 because this is also the colored intersection of the two colored pen. And then you have the blue versus the blue intersection points. So 1, 2, 3, 4 again multiplied by 3 is 12. So here you have, remember, you have to just take only one digit or the last digit. 0 remains, 1 goes up here. 26 plus 1 becomes 27. Remember, only one digit is taken. So 7 is taken and 2 is added here. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So if you see 42 multiplied by 35, do in your regular calculation or using a calculator, you will see that it is nothing but it is 1470. So this is a very unique technique. You can use different colored straws to make it interesting for the children, or you can use these different colored pens for them to start diagrammatically representing, and they will enjoy doing the multiplication this way. Try this out.